ever hard-coded a return type only to watch it silently drift out of sync when the implementation changed? TypeScript's ReturnType utility type extracts the return type directly from a function type. Pass it a function type, and it gives you back whatever that function returns. If a function type maps string to number, return type of that type is simply number. You're telling TypeScript, infer the output type from this function's signature. No manual annotation needed. This is most valuable in two situations. When consuming third-party libraries, their return types are often not exported. Return type lets you capture them without hard-coding anything. And when your own functions evolve, every variable typed with return type updates automatically. That's the dry principle applied to types. Define the shape once in the implementation, and let TypeScript derive everything else. For actual function values, not just type aliases. Combine return type with the typeof operator. Write return type typeof createUser to capture the return type of the createUser function. This pattern is essential when wrapping functions, memoizing results, or typing state that holds a function's output. The container type then always mirrors what the function actually produces. Use return type whenever your type's source of truth lives in a function's implementation. It keeps everything in sync automatically. Follow for more TypeScript tips. Want to get better at answering questions like this? With Interview Mentor, you practice real interview questions out loud. You get personalized feedback and a grade on every answer, and you can track your improvement over time.